Welcome everyone, this is part 2 where we actually have the kit put together, and this is the Top Agents Arctic Rebels ice robot. This is one of these copied type images coming from these battling robots that were in movies, etc. And of course this is Playmobil's copy of those things, their take on this. Now here's the figure, and there's a few problems with this figure in general. I mean, I love these robot type things, but you can see right there, first of all, it doesn't hold this gun very well. Now, it does roll really nice. It has these nice little legs once you get it stabilized, which is a little bit difficult, but the gun, and it has these claws, but they don't really grip very well, so you can't really hold this too well. So that's one of the problems. So the minute you start moving it, it's going to flop all around. It doesn't seem to be any way to hold it in place. There was a lot of parts with this, which I think were unnecessary, but there's lots of little things. I did not include the stickers on mine. I don't like them. I think Playmobil makes very cheapo-looking stickers. You get these two retarded zombie figures, and again, you know, it's got that ridiculous Playmobil heads on them. But, you know, you spend a lot of time taking care of the bodies now because that's their tradition, is to have these kind of things that look like German nutcrackers, because that's where it came from. And here's the other figure. It's got one of those goofy little hats on. He's got this. He's got a knife that he carries at his side. I mean, those are nice little details if they would have made the figures right, but I just throw the figures away. I have no use for them. You also get this little ice sled where the figures can stand on it, particularly this, and you can clip the hand in over here so that it holds onto the sled. I'm not going to necessarily do that. I'm not going to use the sled either, so I just throw these pieces away. It has actual it shoots different things, which is interesting. Now, what I've done here is, I'm going to take this gun out because it's kind of annoying how it just kind of flops around. Here's where you put the actual figures in. I've got a real cool figure here, or a Keto, but they're figures, and you can put other figures in here. You don't have to use these retarded ones, zombie retards. You can certainly use other figures because the actual, you know, robot and stuff is kind of cool, but there's a lot of parts in it that all fall off. It's hard really to move this. So when you have all these things on this, it becomes a problem. The other thing is that it has a bizarre shooter here. Now, the shooter is based on the fact that uses this kind of, if I can get in there. I've never seen this before, but it seems to work fairly good. But what the problem is that you're going to have to really get in a position to push. So it has these